Hello again. I got everything wired up, so I figured I'd do a video to show you how all the options work. So currently I have a DC motor on top hooked up, and the motor is running under DC. I'm using the high volt range, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it up. You can watch the current. Again, this is the input current, this is the output current. I'm going to turn the motor up. Now this motor has a bad armature, so you can see how the current meter bounces around. So I can also kick on current limiting. So if I want to limit the current going to this motor to 3 amps, I have a 300 watt bulb hooked up, I can turn on the current limiting here. So first I'm going to select 3 amp, and I'm going to go ahead and turn current limiting on, which is not enough to sustain the motor. You see it stalled it. So I'm going to kick that back on. So that's that, and the nice feature is I hooked up, let me kick this over, a interface. It's a key box. Turn the key on, light comes on, allows you to arm it, and then this turns the system output on or off, which keeps it safe from my end. So I can select the different, like DC. I can then dial up the voltage, if you will, and I can then kick it on or off. I can also now select a low range voltage. This one selects the large transformer, which is good for 100 amp up to 48 volts. So I can then kick that on, dial it up, and go from there. Like so. And again, I have to kick the bypass on. So you can hear the motor running there at the lower speed, because I'm using the low range transformer. So if I want to go faster, like here, I'm going to kick it over to the 220. The motor's now running at 48 volts. So that's that.